Magandang araw. I'm Prince Charles Isa Fernandez from Cleo's Travels and Tour. Here with me, our coach captain, Ma'am Cleope. Say hi, Ma'am Cleope. She is the owner of Cleo's Travels and Tour. So today, I will be your tour guide here in the beautiful province of Oriental Mindoro. Today, I'll take you on an exciting journey to discover the rich cultures, breathtaking landscape, and unique attractions that make this province a most visited destinations. So, let's talk about Oriental Mindoro. Once part of a larger province, simple called Mindoro, was officially divided into two, which are Oriental Mindoro and Occidental Mindoro in year 1950. The name Mindoro comes from the Spanish term Mina de Oro, meaning gold mine, as early Spanish explorer believed that island was rich in gold. Before Spanish colonizations, Mindoro was already a flourishing trade hub with indigenous peoples like Mangyan engaging in commerce with the Chinese, Malay, and Indian traders. The Spanish arrived in 16th century, bringing Christianity and establishing settlements. However, Mindoro suffered for frequent fire trade, leading to the constructions of fortifications such as Cota de Mindoro of Calapan. During the World War II, Mindoro played a strategic role in liberations of Philippines. The island was heavily bombed, but it later became a key landing site for Allied forces, contributing for the defeat of Chinese troops. Today, Oriental Mindoro is known for its rich biodiversity, pristine beaches, and cultural heritage, making it a top destination for both local and international travelers. Oriental Mindoro is often called Mangyan Island because it is a home to the Mangyan peoples, the indigenous groups that has lived on the islands for centuries. There are 8 Mangyan tribes, each with unique traditions, dialects, and way of life. Some of most well-known tribes include Iraya, found of the northern part of Mindoro, known for their woman crafts. Alangan, inhabit central Mindoro, skilled in agricultures. Hanono, known for their ancient Surat Mangyan script and poetry. Tadyawan, Buhid and Tybald, resides in the mountains and practice slash and the burn farming. Despite modernizations, many Mangyans communities still follows their ancestral customs, living in the harmony with natures. Their distinct writing system, which predates Spanish colonizations, is one of the oldest in the Philippines and is recognized as cultural treasures. The presence of Mangyan peoples have greatly shaped the identity of Oriental Mindoro, preserving the indigenous traditions, aims for the province growth as a tourism and economic hub. And also known as Oriental Mindoro is known for the rich granary and fruit basket of a southern Tagalog, but is also home to the stunning beaches, majestic mountains, and vibrant marine life located in Mimaropa regions. It's just a short ferry ride from Batangas, making it an accessible gateway for nature's lovers and adventure seekers.